Breaking news tonight as the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services issues a new emergency pandemic order.
It is aimed at reviving some restrictions overturned Friday when the state Supreme Court ruled against the governor's executive powers. 7 Action News reporter Brett Cast is live tonight with what's in the order and how some counties are making their own rules. Brett.
Yeah, that order just coming down within the last couple of hours, and for the most part, it does reinstate some of those same restrictions that were in Governor Gretchen Whitmer's executive orders, including things like masks and limiting gatherings. After the governor's executive orders were ruled unconstitutional by the Michigan Supreme Court, counties and state officials raced to make their own orders amid confusion over what laws to enforce.
That was the big question. And over the weekend, we had conversations, yet knowing that the state was still trying to figure something out.
In Macomb County, Executive Mark Hackle chose not to make any orders, waiting instead for answers from the state.
This isn't something that should be handled by a county. This should be handled at a state level and with legislators' interaction or involvement.
Those answers came this afternoon, with the State Department of Health and Human Services reinstating many of the same restrictions in the governor's original orders.
We weren't about to just put something in place that really wasn't going to be effective, knowing that the state was moving in a direction to do something that needs to be done more appropriately at a state level.
However, Oakland and Washtenaw counties announced their own orders, along with other counties across the state, outlining their plans for handling the pandemic.
Everybody says the same thing. Follow CDC guidelines. You wish you didn't have to come up with some orders, to get people to comply or to do it. Unfortunately, I guess we do. And with that being said, the question is who enforces that?
And that is a question we will be asking over the coming days as people try to learn these orders. Now, the Department of Health and Human Services does say they are misdemeanors or violations are misdemeanors and punishable by up to $1,000 in civil fines. Reporting here in Oakland County, I'm Brett Cast, 7 Action News.
All right. Thank you so much, Brett.